Come on, admit it. Who here sees someone yawn and suddenly feels their own mouth stretching wide open? Relax, you're not weird at all. Contagious yawning is actually a sign that you have high empathy. Your brain has these amazing things called mirror neurons, which automatically mimic the behavior of people around you. And get this, yawning isn't really because you're sleepy. It happens because your brain is overheating. So, when you yawn, you're bringing in cool air to lower your brain's temperature, helping you to focus again. Be honest, did you yawn while watching this video? If you did, let me know in the comments below. See, you're yawning again. Better subscribe now to keep your brain fresh.